How to create animated stickers on WhatsApp using iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, download the WhatsApp app on a mobile device and tap on the open option available there and log into the WhatsApp using your login credentials. Now, once logged in, all you have to do is go to the Photos app on your mobile device to create an animated sticker. Then simply find the photo you want to create animated sticker of, then long press on it, then tap on the add sticker option available there. You can also edit it by simply tapping on it and edit any option according to your preferences. Since we are doing the animated one, so I am tapping on the animated effect. Now go back to the WhatsApp and simply browse through the sticker by simply tapping on the keyboard emoji icon, then swiping through the left side, then tap on this sticker you just created and send it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.